A croque-monsieur salad. A side dish from France. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. To prepare the vinaigrette, mix all of the vinaigrette ingredients in a small bowl until the mixture's smooth. Set aside. Step 2. Start the salad in a small skillet, heating the oil and butter over low heat. Add the garlic and sauté 10 seconds. Step 3. Add the ham and sauté for another 10 seconds. Step 4. Off the heat, add the grated cheese. Place the mixed greens in a salad bowl or plate and top with the ham mixture. Garnish with the nasturtium flowers and drizzle the vinaigrette on top. Top with croutons. Step 5. Serve this with a good crusty load of French bread and a bottle of dry white French wine. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.